Windows are one of the most important features of your home. They provide natural light, ventilation, and a connection to the outdoors while playing a key role in your home's energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal. For homeowners in Kendall, where warm weather and occasional storms are part of life, upgrading your windows is a smart investment that brings a variety of benefits. Here are the top reasons why upgrading your windows in Kendall is worth every penny. Enhanced energy efficiency. Kendall's sunny, tropical climate can lead to high cooling costs if your windows aren't energy efficient. Upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows can help you save money while keeping your home comfortable year-round. Improved insulation. Double or triple pane glass and advanced seals minimize heat transfer, keeping cool air inside during the summer. Low E coatings. Low emissivity glass reflects heat and UV rays, reducing your reliance on air conditioning. Lower energy bills. With better insulation, your HVAC system won't have to work as hard, resulting in noticeable savings on utility bills. By upgrading your windows, you'll enjoy a more comfortable indoor environment while reducing energy consumption and costs. Increased curb appeal. Your windows significantly impact your home's overall appearance. Upgrading to stylish, modern designs can instantly boost your home's curb appeal. Contemporary styles. Sleek, minimalist window designs add a modern touch to your home. Custom options. Choose from a variety of frame materials, finishes, and colors to match your home's aesthetic. Enhanced views. Larger glass panes and slim frames provide an unobstructed view of Kendall's beautiful surroundings. A fresh set of windows can transform your home's exterior, making it more attractive to guests and potential buyers. Better protection against storms. Living in Kendall means preparing for storm season, and your windows are a critical part of your home's defense. Modern window upgrades often include impact-resistant designs that provide superior protection against extreme weather. Hurricane-resistant glass. Impact-resistant windows are built to withstand high winds and flying debris, ensuring your home stays safe during storms. Secure frames. Reinforced materials and expert installation ensure your windows remain intact, even in severe weather conditions. Year-round safety. Unlike storm shutters, impact-resistant windows provide continuous protection without blocking your view. By upgrading to storm-ready windows, you'll have peace of mind knowing your home is prepared for whatever nature brings. Improved security. Outdated windows can be an easy entry point for intruders. Upgraded windows come with advanced security features that keep your home and family safe. Shatter-resistant glass. Impact-resistant or laminated glass is much harder to break, deterring potential intruders. Advanced locking systems. Modern windows feature multi-point locks and tamper-resistant designs for added security. Durable materials. Reinforced frames provide additional protection against forced entry. Investing in secure windows enhances your home's safety while giving you peace of mind. Reduced noise pollution. Kendall's lively neighborhoods can sometimes come with unwanted noise from traffic, neighbors, or construction. Upgraded windows with soundproofing features can help create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Double or triple pane glass. Multiple layers of glass reduce outside noise, keeping your home serene. Tight seals. Advanced seals block sound as well as air leaks. Improved comfort. A quieter home promotes relaxation and better quality of life. Noise-reducing windows are especially beneficial if you live near busy streets or bustling areas. Increased home value. Upgrading your windows is one of the most effective ways to boost your home's value. Buyers are often willing to pay more for homes with modern, energy-efficient, and secure windows. High ROI. Window replacements often recoup a significant portion of their cost in increased resale value. Attractive feature. Energy-efficient and impact-resistant windows are highly desirable in the Kendall real estate market. Enhanced marketability. New windows signal to buyers that your home is well maintained and move-in ready. Whether you're planning to sell soon or in the future, upgraded windows are a valuable selling point. Low maintenance and long-lasting durability. Modern windows are designed to last longer and require less upkeep than older models, saving you time and effort. Weather-resistant materials. Vinyl, aluminum, and fiberglass frames resist warping, cracking, and fading, even in Kendall's humid climate. Pre-finished options. Many new windows come with factory-applied finishes that retain their appearance without frequent repainting. Easy cleaning. Tilt-in sashes and advanced glass coatings make cleaning a breeze. Durable, low-maintenance windows ensure your home stays beautiful with minimal effort. Environmental benefit. Upgrading your windows isn't just good for your wallet, it's also good for the planet. Energy-efficient windows reduce your carbon footprint by lowering your home's energy consumption. Sustainable materials. Many modern windows are made with recyclable materials or eco-friendly manufacturing processes. Reduced energy use. By minimizing heat transfer, energy-efficient windows decrease reliance on fossil fuels for cooling. Greener living. Enjoy a comfortable, stylish home while contributing to a healthier environment. For environmentally conscious homeowners, upgrading your windows is a meaningful way to make your home more sustainable. Conclusion. A smart investment for Kendall homeowners. Upgrading your windows is one of the best home improvements you can make, offering a combination of aesthetic, functional, and financial benefits. From boosting curb appeal to improving energy efficiency and security, modern windows are designed to enhance every aspect of your home. If you're ready to enjoy these benefits, work with a trusted professional in Kendall to select and install the perfect windows for your home. With the right upgrades, your windows will not only transform your home's appearance but also provide lasting comfort and value for years to come.